as we posted the update of Senator Ifeanyi Ubah dead, but there's something strange trending in social media as we are speaking right now, and that is why I come back again to ask this question: what is actually going on? Is it something that we do not know that actually happened, but we are going to break everything down? In Igbo, when somebody die, we mourn the dead. We cry, as in we mourn the dead with the people, and we feel that pain with the people, with the family of the people that die, or the person that died. But suddenly, if you watch, when they broke the news of the death of President General Ohanaeze Ndigbo, go to the comment section and see what people are writing. Congratulations. Some are saying thank God. Some are saying that they never see anything. Ifeanyi Ubah news broke today. There is a writing again. Many people are celebrating the death. Even there are some videos that we're going to bring up here for you to see it. However, I want to use this thing to talk to Igbo politicians. You can have the power as a politician you are, but what happened after you leave? I always say in this channel that if people should leave a legacy, that when we leave, we remember you. The same thing goes to Igbo billionaires, those who think they have money today. We have secret billionaires that don't make noise, but those who are showing their face in social media, I don't want to call names. This is also a lesson to you. When you go, people will write congratulations. People will celebrate you. Not that they're celebrating you that you die, but they are celebrating that you die. Yes, let you go. A lot of people are saying, Ifeanyi Ubah, you betrayed Nnamdi Kanu. Ifeanyi, you betrayed the Igbos. Ifeanyi, you do this. Ifeanyi, this is what is in social media right now. Go and check all the whole places they posted Ifeanyi Ubah today. This is what you say. As a politician in Igbo land or a billionaire in Igbo land, always work to the interests of the masses of your people. Because if 1 million people are saying, hey, we want this, I will think because you have the opportunity to die or to eat with the Nigerian government, for those opinions coming from your brothers are irrelevant. They are nothing to you. So when you go, they will celebrate your death. They will celebrate that you go. They will not mourn you that you go. After all, you don't care. You have lived your own life. But leaving a legacy, it will be a pain when your families are showing to the social media and seeing that people are happy that you go. It will also be a heartbreak gift to them. This is the narrative, and this is what is happening now. Go and check all the whole social media, what people are writing to Ifeanyi Ubah. Okay, my wonderful people, I want to play this video for you to see what this person is saying. This person is Biafra Liberation Army. They are celebrating that Ifeanyi Ubah have gone. And we also have another information in our table here that the Biafra Liberation Army by 2 Nigerian soldiers. And the video is horrible. We cannot bring it up here for you to watch. So we are going to bring the video now. May you watch. See what he talk about the death of Ifeanyi Ubah, and also said that Hope Uzodinma will be the next.
Like this now, the latest update. Can happen then about Biafra, now about all the soldiers of Biafra, all the freedom fighters. Now fight can bring her down. The spirit of Biafra no tamper with Biafra land. On one region, Oga Bobro, on tribe, Oga Bobro, Hagi, we hear Biafra land, we don't want here. Obro no. Praise the gods of your land. Yeah. To move dogi, to move dogi, to move dogi. If they show something, to move dogi. Yes. No man or a capital in India also. It don't go down. Don't go down, surely. Don't go down. I beg on UK. Ojira or Fiji UK gather place in who. But I want to say on the ever. Yala is here on Monday. Ask on Yala is here on Monday. In case it's only guys nwee challenging gun with ndị iberibe ndị ugwu ụgbọala ntụzi ndị nke anyị ọ bụrụ our own lose. Fine, but don't go down. Useless man indeed, useless man. Ka aha bidoro agba Biafra mgba na-agba Nnamdi Kanu mgba na Nnamdi Kanu ama pụtara prison. How is Asari Dakoba? Ebee ka ọ nọ? Don't go down. I'm on a stroke now. Don't go stroke. And I say, all the Biafran fighters, Akpopotania, Biafra, Gebu Biafra. Oh, yeah. Not Koiri. Useless man. Awful hope. Hopeless governor in Imo State. Hopeless governor. You surely go down. Anaba Biafra mba, anaba Nnamdi Kanu mba. Nnamdi Kanu Okadekwandu. Anagba Samuel Ekpa mba. Samuel Ekpa Okadekwandu. Anagba Biafra fighters mba. Biafra fighters Okadekwandu. Biafra will surely come. Believe. More Biafra now. More Biafra now. One love.
Have you ever wondered what happens when a group of determined fighters takes on a powerful army? What drives them, and how do they manage to keep their resolve in the face of overwhelming odds? In the heart of Nigeria, a fierce and relentless battle rages on. The Biafra Liberation Army, BLA, is at the forefront of this struggle, fighting against the Nigerian army in what is known as the Second Biafra War. This conflict is not just a battle for territory, it is a fight for identity, freedom, and survival. The BLA's determination is unyielding, fueled by the memory of past injustices and the hope for a brighter future. Recently, the Biafra Liberation Army carried out a daring ambush on a Nigerian army convoy. Armed with Ogbonigwe, an improvised explosive device with devastating power, the BLA fighters struck with precision. In this intense confrontation, 2 Hilux trucks carrying Nigerian soldiers were obliterated, neutralizing every soldier inside. This was not just a skirmish. It was a statement. The BLA sent a clear message. They are not to be underestimated. The Nigerian army, known for its formidable strength, retaliated by launching brutal attacks on civilian homes, causing tragic collateral damage. Innocent lives were caught in the crossfire, a stark reminder of the high stakes and severe consequences of this conflict. Yet, the BLA remains undeterred. They declare this war a fight to the finish, a battle where there is no room for mercy. Their resolve is unshakable, bolstered by recent victories. We will fight to victory, they proclaim, their voices echoing through the lands of Biafra. The language used by the BLA is charged with emotion and pride. They see themselves as vastly superior to their adversaries, referring to the Nigerian soldiers with disdain. This harsh rhetoric underscores the deep-seated animosities and the psychological warfare that is as much a part of this conflict as the physical battles. The heat of the battle is unforgiving, and the BLA shows no signs of relenting. Their enemies, whom they derogatorily call zoo idiots and chimpanzees, are met with fierce resistance. The BLA fighters consider themselves the rightful protectors of Biafra land, a land they hold with immense pride and unwavering loyalty. As the BLA continues its fight, their tactics and strategies become even more sophisticated. They adapt quickly to the changing dynamics of warfare, using guerrilla tactics to their advantage. The rugged terrain of Biafra provides them with natural cover, allowing them to strike unexpectedly and retreat swiftly, leaving the Nigerian army scrambling to respond. The BLA's resilience is not just physical, but also psychological. They draw strength from their deep-rooted cultural identity and shared history. The songs and stories of Biafra's past heroes inspire them, reminding them of their ancestors' sacrifices and the legacy they must uphold. This cultural heritage fuels their determination to achieve their ultimate goal, the restoration of the sovereign state of Biafra. Amidst the chaos of war, the BLA has also garnered support from the local population. Many civilians see them as their only hope for protection and liberation. The BLA's efforts to provide aid and support to the communities affected by the conflict have endeared them to the people. They offer food, medical supplies, and shelter, becoming a lifeline for those caught in the crossfire. However, the Nigerian army is not an enemy to be underestimated. Their resources are vast, and their military capabilities are formidable. The government's resolve to maintain Nigeria's territorial integrity is unwavering, and they view the BLA as a significant threat to national security. This has led to increased militarization and a crackdown on any perceived support for the Biafra cause. The international community watches this conflict with a mixture of concern and hesitation. While some nations sympathize with the Biafran struggle for self-determination, others fear the precedent it could set for other separatist movements around the world. Diplomatic efforts to mediate the conflict have been sporadic and largely ineffective, leaving the BLA and the Nigerian army locked in a seemingly endless cycle of violence. In the midst of this geopolitical chess game, the human cost of the conflict continues to mount. Families are torn apart. Children grow up amidst the sounds of gunfire and explosions, and entire communities live in a state of perpetual fear. The scars of war are deep and lasting, and the path to peace and reconciliation seems elusive. Yet, hope remains. The BLA's unwavering spirit, their belief in their cause, and their determination to fight for a better future keep the flame of hope alive. Their story is one of courage and resilience, a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure even in the face of overwhelming adversity. As we reflect on the ongoing struggle in Biafra, we are reminded of the power of the human spirit and the lengths to which people will go to fight for their beliefs and their homeland. The Biafra Liberation Army's journey is far from over, and the world continues to watch as this chapter in history unfolds. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back as I have watched that video. Now, so we see Amo, and I will say more bring am come give now. If you be billionaire or politician in Igbo land, please live a good life. Live a life your people will celebrate you for. Don't because of money you get and sell your own people. When your people talk, they are nobody. The one that you wish, the one that you think is the one that you will take. Let me tell you people one thing, as a billionaire or as a politician in Nigeria today, power belongs to the people. You understand? Power belongs to the people. What they want, when you come to Southeast issue today, forget all those politicians that is talking. What the people want is what you will do. If they say they don't want it, leave that, they don't want it. But you see the Southeast governors trying to telling you everything is fine, we are moving forward, we are doing this. The day they will remember you, your police, your army will not stop them. This is the reality. So we're going to face it very soon. And for now, it's better you people release Nnamdi Kanu. Release that man, because the anger of God is going to fall upon you people heavily. And I'm going to do the next video to show you the message that Nnamdi Kanu sent to Ifeanyi Ubah during the NSAS protest. My people, share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section.